What's happening, class? Good to see you all. Gonna just run through what's happening for the week. And spoiler alert, we are gonna be talking about towers, skyscrapers, really tall buildings. Okay? We're gonna be talking about that a little bit. You'll be learning some things about it. But more importantly, there is a competition at the end of this week where you get to see who can build the tallest tower out of, well, I'll leave that part till later. So here's the deal. You're going to be in this Google Classroom area because that's where we do all our stuff. You're going to go to your class. Let's say your wood shop, period 1. Okay. Make sure you go to your classwork tab. It'll make it a lot easier to navigate. And here we go. Here's how I've changed things a little bit. I know I used to have, like right here, paper airplane unit. You'd open it up, and here there'd be all these assignments all in the one thing. I don't know if that was helpful for you or not. It seemed like for some people this was complicated because they didn't know which one they'd done and they didn't know where they were at. So I'm breaking it up, but I'm trying to keep the same label on everything so that it makes it so you understand what week it's part of. So you didn't have anything for week number 3. It was optional. Some of you guys did it. It looked great. Thank you. Some of you guys took the week off, or you took time to finish up some of the stuff that you hadn't gotten done yet for me already. So great work. Now, week number 4. This is where we start. We always start with what you know and what you're wondering about. So here you go. Look at that. Very clean. Just one assignment. One. So, and what if I point like this? Yeah, one assignment. Right there, okay? So that's your first one, know and wonder. Then learn part 1. One assignment. And in this one, you get to watch a little video on YouTube and answer questions. So remember, don't forget, you need to do a split screen, okay? So on one side, you'll have your video playing. On the other side, you'll have your document up. And so then you can be watching the video. Ooh, all right. Oh, I got that answer. And then you can type it in. And you won't lose your information. If you're going back and forth, you know how Google Forms will do that to you. Don't let it be nasty. All right. So if you got Know and Wonder and Learn Part 1 done today after we have our Zoom meeting, that would be excellent. Next, I need you to look at this one, Learn Part 2. That'll be another video. And this one, not asking you very many questions. It's a really fun one to watch. And here's what happens. It's a video that's telling you about the future of skyscrapers, okay? How they're going to build them maybe in the next 50 years. And how they're going to do that to make it sustainable so that they use good resources. And also, kind of interestingly, how they can also make it better for the environment. Check it out. Now, the most fun part, I hope, is the last one. This is where you get to learn about how to build your own structure, okay? So, I have a video of me doing it, and I give you a few tips, but the main component to this part of the project is you need to try and create a tower out of one 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, cutting it up into a bunch of different little strips, bending them, changing them, however you want, as well as a 14-inch, I'm giving you an extra 2 inches in the normal competition, 14-inch strips of paper, or, excuse me, you already have the paper, 14-inch piece of tape that you can cut up and use all little chunks. So, the challenge is to see how tall a structure you can get with 8.5 by 11 and 14-inch piece of tape. And I'm doing that challenge on the video. You can try and do the challenge as well and see if you can beat me. If you do, you get an A+, even if you didn't do the rest of the things. Yeah, I just said that. But I think you might like the videos. I think they're pretty interesting as well. So especially, well, both of them are interesting. The first one I forgot to tell you is about all the different challenges that they have in engineering skyscrapers, and you'll learn about the different forces of nature that are pretty heavy on these things. All right, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm excited for you to get going on this. I hope you learn a lot and enjoy working on this week. Good luck. Bye-bye.